Who was the first person to step on the moon? Answer is option B, Neil Armstrong. Which country was the first to invent paper? Answer is option B, China. Who was the first president of the United States? Answer is option B, George Washington. Which was the first country to launch a satellite into space? Answer is option D, USSR. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Answer is option A, Marie Curie. Which was the first country to give women the right to vote? Answer is option C, New Zealand. Which was the first country to print paper currency? Answer is option C, China. Which was the first country to host the Olympic Games? Answer is option D, Greece. Which was the first country to abolish slavery? Answer is option A, Haiti. Which was the first country to host the FIFA World Cup? Answer is option D, Uruguay. Which was the first country to make a constitution? Answer is option A, United States of America. Which was the first country to use postage stamps? Answer is option B, United Kingdom. Which was the first country to adopt Christianity as a state religion? Answer is option C, Armenia. Which was the first country to introduce compulsory education? Answer is option D, Germany, Prussia. Which was the first country to host the Olympic Games in Asia? Answer is option B, Japan. Which country was the first to legalize same-sex marriage? Answer is option B, Netherlands. Which country was the first to start railways? Answer is option C, United Kingdom. Which country was the first to allow free primary education? Answer is option A, Germany. Which country was the first to ban plastic bags nationwide? Answer is option B, Bangladesh. Which country was the first to build a nuclear reactor? Answer is option D, United States of America.